Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.
Good morning. Right now it is 8:43. We're getting ready to go and get breakfast in the morning. The elevator is this way. Yeah, that's pretty much it. 2010 is currently not in, so. Where are we going? To the buffet? This way. It is sweet.
Huh?
It is sweet.
Okay, yesterday it wasn't.
Okay, y'all, I tried to lay my edges today, but I don't have my ego with me. I had to use my edge booster. It's a hard gel, so I feel like my edges, well, not even feel, my edges kind of crunchy, and I wasn't able to like really lay it down like I wanted to. We got spritzes. I'm excited. Santorini is our first stop, and it's very pretty and blue and white. We tried to sit early, but they have different buses for different groups of people, so we thought that we would be able to wait in the theater, but we don't want to get split up in buses, so we're gonna wait for everybody to meet up at the theater like we originally planned, and then we're gonna go into the theater. So say hi. Hi. Period. We'll see y'all when we head out.
4, 27, 28,
29.
and 29.
Take this off.
Ah, smooth.
Picture. This is in front of my house.
Come on, Wolf. Put some pep in your step, man. Got it. I took 4 hours close, I think.
Y'all, the sun a little different in Greece. Now my edges coming out, little bit of edges I do have. My bad.
Only for his family and his friends. Now Mr. Lignos is about 80.
mints.
In Greece, we say like cheers. Yama.
It burns.
Take the shot.
Yes.
I hate it.
Water sip. Oh my god. Whoa.
What's the name of the place?
Yama. I must see more why back.
What's the reality, Justin?
We finna come out here tipping. Feel like your tongue up? Coated. Thank you. Ooh. Yama. Yama.
Empty glass, yay!
Please. Some cactus.
See why?
The second one, right? Listen, I ready to teeth that plate now. Yeah, I didn't like it. That's what I thought it was too. I'm confused. I was supposed to be swirling and smelling right now. Thank you.
We lining them up.
Who's drinking this? Yeah, man.
I was going to buy my 2 bottles
Place here, hand me back.
But I don't really want my well, if my shoes in it, then it's fine. Yo, I'm so happy.
Yes, sir. I'll let you do it.
The flag.
Please spell the Yamas.
Don't rap too far through then. Don't rap too far through then.
So, 404 Actually, those are 3 different buildings, but because of the different February, they seem like one. So, lower down at the beginning sphere, beautiful view of the sea on the left. Today, people climb that road to enjoy the view. You can enjoy on the left, the volcano, the cruise ship here every day. The name Fira, the capital, comes out of the name of Allah, Fira with TH. They just put an F on it, they changed the first letter and put an F on it. Tourist shops, art galleries, many kind of stores you can find at this area.
These inclines kicking my hip right now. something in the morning. I'm trying to revive my very tangled and dried out wig. It's not going good. But yeah, we are going to be in Turkey later this morning. Okay, the mousse is kind of working. Anyway, today, I honestly didn't even know that we were having a stop in Turkey. I thought it was all Greece or Greek islands. Today should be interesting. I'm really excited for my outfit today. I really do feel like the mousse made a difference.
Unhand me, you troglodyte!
Jackie Hill Perry and Preston Perry are hilarious. Anyway, took a shower and I just threw this back on because we're going to get breakfast. I put on my moisturizer, my chapstick. I'm feeling clean and fresh. I hope my hair lays with sense today, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna do like really quick makeup so I could get out of here. I have noticed that the older I get, the more likely I am to wake up earlier than everyone else just so I can have my girl moment and take my time and not feel rushed when I'm getting ready. A younger Kristen would have still been sleeping in the bed. Older Kristen is like, we gotta get this. We gotta get ourselves together. I don't know, I just don't like feeling rushed when I'm getting ready. I like to take my time. Yesterday, the heat was crazy. That took your girl by surprise. Today, I'm wearing something significantly lighter, so that's good. Y'all ain't finna catch me slipping today. Everyone's still sleeping. I think this is the slickest I've gotten my hair to look. Yeah.
I told him I'm ready for my family. Yeah, that one he told us.
Hey, girl. Oh my gosh, that's a purse? Yeah. That's so cute.
Daddy got my bag again. My stuff for her to put in the bag.
Oh, no.
Uncle, I will be your tour guide. My name is Zeynep. Zeynep. Thank you so much. You are 10 people. I'm not going to remember, but still, I would like to ask your name. Bahamas, first time ever. Yeah.
This part of the top.
And how do you call the people?
Bahamians.
Bahamians. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. We need to take a selfie with the flag later. Somewhere in Ephesus, all right? Yeah, it's a very cute one.
Many lies that I've told, and many secrets that I own. Not ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so slow. If only I just listened to your warnings. That my foolishness
Write a wish and tie it. We're gonna tie it onto the wall.
Going to confession desperate for redemption. I listen to God's word, practice what I've heard. Friends tell me to stop stressing, that life is a blessing. You only live once, do what your heart wants. I can't reply all the memories, looking for it.
The entire
Okay. To make a double knot, first of all, the lady tutalip picks up two vertical threads on the loop. It seems as if they are next to each other, but actually we have two layers of warps in the skeleton of the carpet. And twice around the warps, chiquilip, and she pulls it down. Now, the advantage of the technique is when you walk on a handmade carpet, actually what you are doing is you pull the knots. You can see the pattern that the lady is following. First, she counts the number of knots in one row on the pattern. Then she makes the same on the loom. And once she has completed a row of knots, the horizontal thread, in other words, the weft goes through the warps. Akli gösterelim. With the iron gum, she beats on the weft to make it tight. The tighter the weft gets, the tighter the knots become as well. In this one, we are talking like 200 knots in a square inch. To make this carpet, but with this density of knots for a professional weaver, takes nearly 6 months. It's a long time, I know. But if that was silk, in the same size, even with the least number of knots in silk, would take minimum 1 year. Silk carpets start with 412 knots to the square inch. They easily go up to 3,000 knots in a square inch. Do we have any guests here who would like to try to make a double knot?
I don't want to mess it up.
Don't be shy, come on.
A few moments later.
We give to ladies sometimes a pattern and ask them to make two identical carpets. Believe me, it never happens.
Never, okay.
Drop it down. Nice.
Very good.
Fingers too thick.
He did it before. Then around, over. When it goes around, over the other one. Yes. You all are very talented. Thank you. I'm just telling you, they're very good.
Pull it down.
Yeah.
All of them, yeah.
That's your DNA.
Come on, bu halıyı
Born to be carpets. Very good, very good.
Good job.
Anybody else?
You want to try?
3.5 months more.
Boom.
Carolina, but the rest.
Whereabouts in North Carolina? North Carolina. Where? My daughter, she lives also in North Carolina. China, about 4,000 years ago. In Anatolia, Anatolia is Turkey today. That's how we call Asia Minor. Here it started 5th century AD, during the time of the Romans. In Turkey, we feed silkworms with white mulberry leaves. That's the best that you can feed them with. They are shocked with hot steam. Not all of them. 30% is always reserved for the new generation, of course. When that happens, they look like these ones here. If you would like to feel them closer, you can just grab into the plate. Don't ask me how that happens. We can just call it as a miracle of God. Because it's dry, you can see it's very easy to break the fibers. With this high-tech instrument, our teacher will show us now how she picks up the fibers. Buyurun. Please make the cameras ready. That's maybe the best time to take a picture. Look here. Now, silk actually is known to be the second strongest natural fiber in Earth. The strongest natural fiber is spider web.
Spider, that makes sense.
That's the reason why she has to pull them first manually. Evet, çekelim. Because of that process, because of the reel right there, it's also known as... But they are still not strong enough to use for the skeleton of a silk carpet. Actually, at the end of this process, the threads we obtain, they look and feel like these ones here. And I know it's not the feeling you expect to have from the silk. And with one of these, you can hold nearly like almost 15 pounds.
Yeah. I love this color.
My shirt, I think.
Yeah, that's a whole thing.
And once it's ready like this, we give them to our professional silk weavers in the villages. In their hands, this material turns into a piece of art. Now, this one here is that original carpet. National Geographic mentioned about it in May 1998 edition. We feed chickens also.
This is dressing olive oil. This is yogurt and mint. Dry mint, fried vegetables, like potatoes, eggplants, peppers. Peppers are mild. Tomato sauce on top, and this is plain yogurt. Yogurt is a big deal in our cuisine, in our culture. These are the appetizers. Help yourself, please.
I forgot which one this is.
Raining over the fence in the bottom.
This one's good.
I could take. I could.
I like that one. Cheese rolls. You just got cheese rolls.
Cheese rolls and green beans and eggs. It sounds very weird, I know, but it's so good.
Let's try a cheese roll.
I'm not a yogurt fan, but I'll give y'all that.
I like cheese roll good.
Apple.
We got it.
Think about putting it together.
Is that cool here?
So good.
Pomegranate seeds. We boil them.
Pomegranate.
That's the real.
And this is literally farm to table restaurant. There's a small.
We got honeydew. Honeydew, right?
Yeah.
Honeydew. My apple tea. This is what we left. Kiran is full.
belly.
Yeah, a big belly. What was your favorite food?
Food?
Yeah.
Everything.
The meatball.
The beef,
The beef
with
the
with this.
cube
Oh my
of
god.
yogurt. The yogurt and mint.
The yogurt and mint.
Down there, sarcophagi. Okay? It looks like a cemetery, but it was not a cemetery. Marble more than 2,000 years old. He was making tents, and he was selling his tents in this agora. So Paul was here. Boy, Paul. Now the city I am going to show you is that beauty of your life. Take it shade. Yeah, different than each other. And one more. The first question that they ask, there's the bottom. Yeah. They will take us in 5 minutes.
Where did it come from? What? Düştü. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Yes.
Pea seeds, okay, and dried mulberry, corn nuts.
Right now it is 9:01. Last night, Kiran and Jeanette booked a laser tag game for us. Time nice, suck at laser tag. Like, actually terrible. Ever since getting back on the ship, I've been knocked out. I can't even lie to y'all. We are having to be there for 9:15 because the game starts at 9:30. I'm wearing this sweater vest and my sweatpants. Too bad this was supposed to be an outfit for a whole different day, but I wasn't expecting to do laser tag. Okay, gonna put on some lip gloss. They really got me out of bed. I was so worried that I wouldn't wake up in time. Something gotta give. Let's go lose that laser tag.
Gang, gang.
I want y'all know I have no idea what I'm about to do.
You're gonna go play some laser tag.
Well,
bruh.
I know, but I
All you
truly
gotta do is
cannot
point
play.
and shoot.
They'll let you know what to do.
What if I come last?
Deck 15.
Set 15. Yeah.
Oh, they're watching a movie. I don't know what movie they're watching.
Ooh, more chess.
This is a nice arcade.
A few moments later.
How much?
3,500, I think.
Really? Keep shooting at me? Like, boy, move somewhere else.
So I mean, I got second place there. I had 11, I had 11:20.
I had 11:30. I
No, I had
11.
Came third.
I had 1,800.
Y'all were ganging up on me.
Mainly you.
He was in the corner. I looking this way. That's what looking
Chess. Bunch of cheetahs. Anyway, I came third on my side. I don't know. But y'all, I did better than I thought I would. Like, I moved.
I telling them y'all can't stay in one corner.
I ain't gonna lie. I was kind of like this for a hot minute, and I started moving. I started shuffling. I was gonna say, well, y'all gotta move.
I tell her, don't be so close to me.
And then in another breath, I'm be like, we together, right? We together, right? No, we ain't.
You don't like to drive go kart?
No, I'd rather be a passenger.
Passenger princess.
Period.
Yeah, Big Bro got the camera now.
Turn my headphones up. I'm not like.
Yes, I am like this all the time. I'm not gonna lie. And we out here.
Are you living your vlogger life right now?
Yes, I am living. What did I do? Okay, we're still recording. You better not cut this out either. How am I supposed to? How am I supposed to hold this like this? There go my baby sister. There goes my baby.
But the pizza's on the other side though.
The pepperoni, please.
Nah, I want none. That's straight. They good.
You ain't got none.
She basically got her own personal camera guy now. Yes. Crazy Hublot. Crazy Hublot right there, bro. Ooh, icy. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Now, go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. I'm just gonna go inside it. Let's go.
There's not one photo. There's not like loads. So if I take it, I might use
What
it
are
for
those? Just so y'all know, everybody need a pair of butters. Everybody needs a pair of butters. Ooh, that's Mama. That's Mama Bear. Mama Bear is like sleepy, sleepy.
I'm sure he enjoyed it as well.
Kinda, sorta.
Would you ever be a vlogger?
I don't know. I think so. Cause I'm kind of weird. So, I think, yeah. So, I think the people really like the fact that I'm weird, but I'm also cool. You know? But I'm not photogenic. So, I don't know. I might have to put like a bag over my head. Type, you know? Oh, no, I'm not photogenic at all.
I'm not photogenic either.
Y'all know what it is.
I'm about to eat my pizza and then read for a little bit.
Can I help you?
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
That the worst effects of climate change. Congress and the rest of the country needs to start taking this.
I am finding it harder. Oh.
Cats are cool.
Along the seashore. That's it. And their houses along the seashore, and it looks like Venice because the houses. That's it.
I think I can take my picture. Thank you. Had to get my Jesus piece.
Feels over there.
Oh!
It's a good, you can walk it.
Would you like some water?
Looks so pretty. But it has a nice pink split. That's not really peanut burn or that.
I got little hummus. I can smell it. Thank you.
That's the only thing I hate about t-shirts.
I got a New York steak strip.
We love you, we do. We love you, God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Like s'mores. It's the foot top for me.
Just come to my bed and baby, just don't let me down.
Oh,
This is the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia. Who was your auntie and uncle brother? And darling, say, Robbie.
When you're from my hotel, California, any time of day, you will find me there.
La, la.
I highly doubt that I will be able to hear me fairly well. We are heading back to Italy. Our last stop is Naples. So today is a sea day. Everybody slept in. Sure they slept in. Yeah. Just gonna chill out here for a little bit. And then tonight is formal night. Probably get ready for that around 5. I can shower, do my makeup, put my piece in, and step. My phone is saying 11:43, but I'm pretty sure it is 10:43. That's me for right now.
Shut it down. Thank you.
We want you to show us your muscles. Come on.
I'm 73.
Anyway, but tonight was fun. Yeah, tomorrow we will be in Naples. See y'all tomorrow. Today is our last stop and our last full day. We are getting ready for Naples, Italy, and Pompeii. My hair is sick and tired. I know. Everybody is gonna start getting ready apparently at 5:30. I'm gonna start getting ready now. I wasn't going to put my ponytail in today because I was like, oh my gosh, my hair has had enough. Like, I really want to take pictures and I know I'm gonna want to have my ponytail piece in. Alas, I will see y'all when we are at breakfast.
The next person to call me Bob Marley, Lil Wayne, Snoop Dogg, I slapping somebody.
And he's a part of the Migos.
That's never take off.
Yeah.
Mercoledì la right? Okay. And she's doing like that. Pay attention. What I'm saying, according to you?
Love each other?
The opposite.
Hate each other?
Look, she's cheating on you.
Oh!
This one stands for cheat on. Okay? Cheat on. Okay?
Allora guys, on your right side, City Square, which is called Piazza Municipio. After the unification of Italy, so we are talking about Shadow.
Oh yeah,
That's the best spritz I've had this entire time.
No lie.
Yeah.
That was the best one.
I don't know how they're supposed to taste it.
That is the best.
I do a lot.
Boy, don't play.
That actually is the best one.
The best one.
All the time I was sitting there and I thought she was taking a picture of me. You taking a video?
Sir, engineer.
Yes.
Nigga.
Nigga porn.
Well.
Oh my Oh. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Girl, I don't know.
Then our shorts and their shorts is a lot different.
This is not what I was expecting.
Man, you only pay for the rum.
Keep up on it. Never no more down major.
Oh, yeah, nice.
That's the point. But you don't even see the money with you are coming in back there. You don't have the minus.
Oh, my battery's dying.
Yeah, they will.
I don't think so.
Well, this car to the hotel where you probably have been.
Bellissimo!
Let's say sweeter.
Yeah, they're sweeter.
Excuse me. You're making noise for y'all. Stop it now. What's up with that? But it was quiet before they came.
Yeah, exactly.
That's kind of wild.
So I can show you what, and then you.
Yeah, he's whipping out the peanuts.
Gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow. Terminal 5 to home British Airways.
Flight connections or terminals. Please take all belongings with you.
Let me tell y'all how my ponytail piece fall off on the plane. But I just wanted to say, right now it is 1:05. We have to be downstairs by 6. We're literally about to get, I can't talk. We're literally about to take a power nap, get up and head back home. That's it. Good night.
A few moments later.
Oh my goodness, the lights are behind me, but I'm gonna do a quick outro. Turn on the lights! Anyway, my mom and I are about to head downstairs to see if they have any tea, because I do need to start my day off with something hot. Otherwise, we are all packed up once again. Say hi. Hi. Y'all, I can't wait to go home to my bed. This trip was really fun, and I'll do more talking about the trip when we get home, obviously. We are about to head to the airport from London to get back to Nassau, so let's go. My bed. I don't know. This trip felt really good for my refreshment, my mind, my soul, my heart. I'm not explaining it. But yeah, y'all already know the drill. I'm about to hop in the shower, put this bonnet on my head, and hop in this bed. Yeah. This is the end of our journey. We love Europe. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed watching this video, please, please, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know a little something, get that engagement up, yeah, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.